Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Magic Tiles 3 on your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once you do that, open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Go to the search icon and type down Magic Tiles 3. In the search result, look for this application from Amanotes Pte Limited and tap on the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app. Wait for a couple of minutes, and once you are done, you can tap on the Open button to open up the Magic Tiles 3 piano game on your mobile device, whether it is Android or iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.